In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on Dex Screener. Dex Screener is a powerful market analytics platform. It's important to note that you cannot buy tokens directly on Dex Screener. Instead, the platform serves as a guide, redirecting you to the tokens-supported decentralized exchange like Uniswap, Raydium, or PancakeSwap. This means you will complete your purchase using a compatible crypto wallet. Understanding this process is crucial because it helps you navigate the trading landscape effectively, ensuring you know where your transactions take place. First, open Dex Screener. You can do this by entering the website address into your browser. Once the page loads, you will see a clean interface designed for easy navigation. The layout features various sections displaying market data, charts, and trading pairs. Familiarizing yourself with this interface is helpful. It will make your trading experience smoother as you get accustomed to the tools available. Next, search for the token or trading pair you want to buy. You can use the search bar at the top of the screen to type in the name or symbol of the token. As you type, suggestions may appear. Selecting the correct one is essential to ensure you are viewing the right details. This step is crucial because it directs your attention to the specific asset you intend to purchase, avoiding any confusion that could lead to mistakes. Once you find the token, select it to open its details page. The details page provides comprehensive information about the token. You'll see price charts, market cap, trading volume, and other relevant statistics. This information is vital for making informed decisions. Understanding the token's performance can help you gauge its potential before you proceed to buy. Now, click Trade, Buy, or Trade on the listed decentralized exchange. This action takes you to the selected DEX where the token is actively traded. You will be redirected to a new interface that is specifically designed for executing trades. It's important to recognize this step as it transitions you from research to action, allowing you to take the next steps towards purchasing your token. At this point, connect your compatible crypto wallet, such as MetaMask, Phantom, or another supported wallet. You will typically find a button that prompts you to connect your wallet. Following the prompts in your wallet will allow you to grant access. This connection is key because it enables you to interact with the DEX and perform transactions seamlessly. Next, enter the amount you want to spend. You should see a field where you can specify how much of the token you wish to purchase or how much cryptocurrency you want to use. Make sure to double-check this amount, as it will affect your total expenditure and the number of tokens you will receive in return. Accuracy here saves you from unexpected surprises later in the process. After entering the amount, review the estimated amount, network fees, and price impact. This is a crucial checkpoint. You will see a summary that outlines how much you will pay, what the fees are, and how much it might affect the token's price. Taking a moment to review these details ensures that you are fully informed before completing the transaction. Now, confirm the transaction in your wallet. Your wallet will usually display a confirmation screen showing the transaction details. Make sure everything looks right before you finalize it. This step is essential because it guarantees that your transaction is processed accurately and securely. Finally, wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. This process can take a few moments depending on the network traffic. Once confirmed, check your wallet for the purchased tokens. It's always satisfying to see your tokens appear in your wallet, confirming that your transaction was successful. Note, before buying, make sure you have enough of the blockchain's native cryptocurrency, such as ETH, ESOL, or BNB. This will cover both the purchase and network transaction fees. Since Dex Screener only displays market data and links to decentralized exchanges, all trades are executed through the connected DEX and your crypto wallet. Understanding this process ensures a smooth trading experience.